What is going on, everybody? This is just going to be a quick walkthrough of how to get set up and going with SQL. It's going to be the 2015 flight delays and cancellations data set from Kaggle. So you will need an account. It's free. You can just sign up and search for 2015 flight delays and go ahead and download that. I already have that in my downloads directory. So after doing that, you'll just want to clone the repo here, grab the HTTPS link, and I think I've already got it in here, so I will switch to a different directory and we'll just git clone that and cd into SQL practice flight data. All right, and let's see, I can just cd into data, and the data set it downloads as archive.zip, and I have that in my downloads folder. So I can just copy and just copy to the current directory. Okay, now that that's there, we'll just go up one directory and we can just run make up. And these are already built on my PC. It might take a moment or two on yours. I'm going to go ahead and open up a browser, and I'll just go to localhost 8080, and we're going to log in with admin@admin.com, and password is going to be root. Don't need to save that. All right. And I guess I need to put in root here. Actually, I think I already have the volumes here, so it's going to look different when you first fire that up. Let me just go make down. And if you mangle the data or just want to start over, you can run make clean slate. And now let's go ahead and run make up again. And give that just a moment. Okay, there we go. And that's because I already had the Docker volumes on my machine and they had saved the connection information. But I want to show, just starting here, you're not going to have that connection, so we'll go register server. The database is going to be called flights. You can name the server the same thing, that's fine. The host is actually going to be called database, and username is going to be root, and password is going to be root. And we'll save that. Okay, if we expand this out, we see that in the flights database, we do not have any tables. So what we can do is we just need to make load data. And that'll take just a moment. It's going to build the tables and copy the CSV data into 3 tables: flights, airports, and airlines. And there we go. And if we just refresh, we see that we have airlines, airports, and flights. Let's see here. let's go ahead, and I'm actually going to bring this down with make down, and then bring it back up. Give that just a moment here. Again, password root, username. Now here, we can type in root and save password. And let's just double check the tables are there. There we go. And now we can bring it down and back up again. And I just want to show you that the connection is going to be automatic now that we've saved the password. So that does save some time. Of course, I guess if I save this username and password in the browser, I would not have to keep typing it, but that's okay. Okay. So now you won't be prompted, and you can just connect. If you're brand new to SQL or Postgres in general, or new to Postgres or SQL in general, the query tool is here. So if we just want to, we'll just select everything from flights, and we just want 10 rows. Okay. And we can check the other tables just to make sure that the data's in there. And last one is airports. All right, so that was a quick walkthrough on how to get this going. I should add I am on Docker version 2. So if you are on an earlier version of Docker, you'll just want to edit the makefile, and where these Docker compose commands are, you're just going to want to put a dash in there. So hopefully that gets you going quickly, and I don't know, if you want to see any topics covered on SQL, let me know in the comments, and I'll see if I have time to put together some videos for that. But that's all I have for this one.